Let's talk about something most Forex traders obsess over: win rate. Everyone wants a high win rate, but very few understand what actually creates it. A high win rate isn't luck, it's not magic, and it's definitely not hype. A high win rate comes from structure, execution, and discipline. This is exactly where Forex Diamond EA stands out. Forex Diamond EA is designed to trade only high probability setups. It doesn't overtrade. It doesn't force entries. It waits. That alone filters out a huge number of losing trades. Most robots lose because they trade too much. Forex Diamond EA trades only when conditions are right. That's the first reason its win rate stays strong. Now, before we go deeper, you'll find all the links below this video. Using our link, you get 65% OFF, the price of Forex Diamond EA, and that discount is only available through the link below. Now let's continue. The second reason behind the strong win rate is precision timing. Forex Diamond EA waits for specific price behavior, specific volatility, and specific spread conditions. That means cleaner entries, tighter stops, and more controlled trades. But here's the part most people completely ignore. Even the best strategy fails if execution is poor. And this is where IC markets becomes critical. Forex Diamond EA is built to operate in an environment with ultra-low spreads, fast execution, and minimal slippage. If spreads are wide, a winning trade can become a losing one. If execution is slow, entries are missed. If slippage is high, risk calculations break. That directly destroys the win rate. This is why Forex Diamond EA performs optimally only with IC markets. IC markets provides the exact conditions the EA expects. And right now, when you open your IC markets account using the link below this video, you can get up to a 2x bonus on your first deposit, depending on availability in your region. Again, the links are below the video. Same EA, same settings, different broker, and results change. That's not opinion. That's execution reality. Forex Diamond EA calculates trades assuming IC markets level, speed, and spreads. Change that, and the win rate drops. Not because the EA failed, but because the environment did. Now let's be realistic. A high win rate does not mean zero losses. No professional system works like that. Forex Diamond EA focuses on more winners than losers, smaller losses, and consistent trade quality. That combination is what grows accounts over time. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, hit like and subscribe. I post real, no-nonsense trading content focused on systems that actually work. Now back to the setup. The correct order matters. First, open an account with IC markets. Second, install Forex Diamond EA. Third, let the system trade without emotional interference. And remember, using our link below, you get 65% off Forex Diamond EA and up to a 2x bonus on your first IC markets deposit. Both links are directly below this video. If you skip steps, you sabotage performance. If you change brokers, the win rate suffers. Forex Diamond EA is not hype. It's engineering, and engineering requires the right environment. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I personally reply. All the links are below the video. Build it right, trade smarter, and let the system do the work.